Today you are going to learn how to create an Illuminate gradebook. Let's get started. In your site, you want to go ahead and select the Gradebook module and then My Gradebooks. If this is your first time visiting this page, you will be prompted to create a new gradebook. If gradebooks were created before, this is where you will see all of the gradebooks available to you. Select Create a New Gradebook to get started. Your choices include a points-based gradebook, which will be the more traditional gradebook you're probably used to, where the average or overall score will be of a mark such as A, B, C, or D. Select points-based and select Next. When creating a points-based gradebook, you simply need the name and title of the gradebook and link your roster. By pressing Save, your gradebook has been created. Because gradebooks follow grading periods set up by your administrators and also follow your rosters or student class lists accordingly, you only need to create gradebooks once in most situations. For example, elementary, traditionally gradebooks are created by the subject area taught and eventually shown as an overall mark in any report card. So for elementary users, typically you're going to create gradebooks by subject area. Secondary, you're going to traditionally title your gradebooks by the period and/or course that you teach. So for example, I might want to go ahead, especially if I'd like a particular order of gradebooks in my gradebook list, is start with period 1 and then start with the course title accordingly. Now, by class is automatic for teachers that have rosters. So I'm going to select the appropriate class I have access to depending on the information and, of course, my master schedule. In some circumstances, teachers that do not have a roster of students scheduled to them, but do meet with students on a frequent basis to collect grades or information, can create a gradebook by choosing students individually. Clicking on the By Student menu allows you to search for particular students and go ahead and add them to the gradebook. Once you add your students either by class or by student, then you can go ahead and press Save. At any time, if you want to review your gradebooks, you can go up to My Gradebooks and visit the gradebook list. The list will show you all your gradebooks you've created so far, and from left to right, you'll see the name of the gradebook, how the students are tied to the gradebook, if you'd like it to be shown on the menu, such as Gradebook My Gradebooks, if you'd like this gradebook to show on the portal. If not, simply click No and it will no longer be visible to students or parents if you are using this Illuminate portal. It will also show you the author, the time at which it was created, and if I need to make any changes, I simply go and click on Details to go ahead and change any information about the gradebook so far. Notice another option in your gradebook list is to see different areas such as active gradebooks versus inactive gradebooks. Also gradebooks that have been shared to you. And then also if you've deleted any gradebooks, you always have access to them here. At any time, a deleted gradebook can be recovered, restoring not only the grades, but the gradebook and the student list tied to the original gradebook. Don't forget at any time to visit the control panel and select Lessons and Videos. By clicking on Data and Assessment, you can scroll down under the System Area section. A gradebook manual is waiting for you, full of chapters and lessons and further supporting you through learning about and how to use Illuminate gradebooks.